Genius car hacks only experienced drivers know. Driving is more than just getting from point A to point B. Experienced drivers know that small adjustments, subtle techniques, and little-known car features can make a world of difference in performance, safety, and comfort. These aren't your typical tips like check your mirrors or use your turn signals. They are clever tricks, tweaks, and strategies that only come with time, observation, and experimentation behind the wheel. Whether you're navigating city streets, mountain roads, or highway traffic, these hacks can instantly improve how your car responds, how you feel as a driver, and even how efficiently your vehicle operates. Understanding and applying them allows a driver to approach the road with more confidence, control, and awareness. Proper use of engine braking. Experienced drivers know that easing off the accelerator and using engine braking can reduce wear on the brakes and maintain better control on downhill slopes, rather than constantly riding the brake pedal, which can overheat pads and reduce stopping efficiency. Letting the engine slow the vehicle creates smoother deceleration. This technique is particularly useful in mountainous regions or when towing heavy loads. Smooth steering techniques. One often overlooked hack is refining steering input for smoother turns and lane changes. By applying gradual, consistent pressure instead of abrupt movements, drivers can maintain better traction, improve handling, and reduce tire wear. This technique also enhances safety during wet or slippery conditions, as the car responds more predictably. Experienced drivers often use subtle hand adjustments and minimal steering corrections, allowing the vehicle to follow its natural arc. While it may seem minor, smooth steering drastically improves the overall feel and stability of the ride. Optimizing tire pressure. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is a foundational but often underutilized performance hack. Experienced drivers know that underinflated or overinflated tires affect fuel efficiency, handling, and braking distances. Checking tire pressure regularly and adjusting it according to load, driving conditions, and season can enhance responsiveness, grip, and comfort. Certain high-performance cars even have different recommended pressures for front and rear tires to balance handling characteristics. Mastering blind spot awareness. Beyond using mirrors, experienced drivers develop intuitive blind spot awareness through positioning, shoulder checks, and observing traffic flow. This skill allows safer lane changes and more confident navigation in heavy traffic or high-speed situations. Some drivers also position themselves strategically in traffic to reduce the likelihood of unseen vehicles in their blind spots. Combining mirror adjustments with this awareness reduces reaction time and prevents near-miss situations. Using cruise control strategically. While cruise control is standard in most modern cars, experienced drivers use it strategically to save fuel and reduce fatigue. On long, flat highways, activating cruise control maintains consistent speed, avoids unnecessary acceleration or braking, and can enhance efficiency. Advanced vehicles with adaptive cruise control allow experienced drivers to maintain safe distances automatically, integrating smoothly with traffic flow. Strategic use of cruise control also reduces mental strain during extended drives, allowing the driver to focus more on road awareness and less on maintaining speed manually. Leveraging auto start-stop systems. Many modern cars come with engine start-stop systems designed to save fuel during idle periods. Experienced drivers know how to leverage this feature to reduce unnecessary consumption without affecting overall responsiveness. In urban settings with frequent stops, start-stop systems prevent wasted fuel and reduce emissions. Understanding when to enable or disable the system, depending on driving conditions and personal preference, allows drivers to extract maximum efficiency while maintaining smooth operation. Parking tricks and spatial awareness. Experienced drivers often have subtle parking hacks that make maneuvering in tight spots feel effortless. Techniques like angling the car slightly before parallel parking, using reference points on the hood or mirrors, and slow, deliberate steering adjustments allow parking in spaces that seem impossible. Some drivers also use memory markers from previous parking attempts or adjust positioning based on car length and surrounding vehicles. Brake modulation techniques. Proper brake modulation is another hack that separates skilled drivers from casual operators. Rather than abrupt stops, experienced drivers apply brakes progressively, adjusting force based on road conditions, speed, and distance. This technique reduces wear, improves traction, and provides smoother stops for passengers. Brake modulation is particularly important in wet, icy, or gravel conditions where sudden braking can result in loss of control. Hidden vehicle settings. Many cars hide features that are rarely used, such as customizable throttle response, steering sensitivity, or traction control modes. Experienced drivers explore these options to optimize vehicle performance for specific conditions, whether driving on highways, mountain roads, or racetracks. Adjusting these settings can make acceleration smoother, handling sharper, or stability systems more forgiving. Night driving enhancements. Experienced drivers know subtle techniques to improve night visibility and reduce fatigue. Adjusting dashboard brightness, using adaptive headlights if available, and keeping windshields clean all contribute to safer nighttime navigation. Additionally, maintaining proper seating position and avoiding glare from oncoming headlights reduces eye strain. Some drivers also utilize hidden vehicle features such as automatic high beams or cornering lights to enhance visibility on winding roads. Using momentum efficiently. Advanced drivers understand how to use momentum to their advantage, particularly when approaching intersections, hills, or curves. Gradual acceleration and deceleration, combined with anticipating traffic signals and road conditions, reduces fuel consumption and stress on mechanical components. This technique also allows smoother transitions between gears in manual cars and optimal efficiency in automatic transmissions. Seat and pedal adjustments. Fine-tuning seat height, distance from pedals, and steering wheel position is a hack often overlooked by casual drivers. Experienced drivers adjust these elements for optimal leverage, visibility, and comfort. Proper positioning improves reaction times, reduces fatigue, and allows smoother control over throttle, brake, and clutch inputs. These small adjustments create a more natural driving posture, increasing confidence and overall control during extended or demanding drives. Efficient use of gears. For drivers of manual transmission vehicles, gear management is a fundamental but underappreciated hack. Experienced operators know when to shift early for fuel efficiency, when to hold a lower gear for torque, and how to balance engine load during inclines. Even in automatic cars, understanding how the transmission responds to throttle input and selecting sport or manual mode strategically can enhance acceleration and responsiveness. Emergency maneuver techniques. Experienced drivers prepare for unexpected situations by mastering subtle emergency maneuvers such as evasive swerves, controlled braking, and rapid steering corrections. While these situations are rare, knowing the vehicle's limits and practicing techniques in safe environments can prevent accidents. Combining knowledge of traction, braking, and steering dynamics allows drivers to respond effectively under pressure. Advanced climate control hacks. Finally, clever use of climate control systems can impact both comfort and fuel efficiency. Experienced drivers know how to combine recirculation, fan speed, and temperature settings to optimize cabin conditions while minimizing energy consumption. Some vehicles have dual-zone settings that allow precise control for driver and passengers, while others include hidden air distribution settings for ventilation efficiency. If one of these hacks caught your attention, share your thoughts in the comments. For more advanced driving tips, vehicle insights, and expert car advice, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so every journey can be experienced at its fullest potential.